There's one thing I promise you, I'll respect you as a lady. To me, this is something new. Tonight, so far we can go. Are you willing to take a chance? Tonight could be pure ecstasy if you just take my hand. I want you to but I really can't help myself. You see, I've been looking for someone like you all my life. You say you already have a man. So what? Everybody has somebody. But if either one of us had what we really wanted, we wouldn't be